students. Again I am here with another video of your English grammar, and today's topic is adjectives. So this topic is not new for you, I know, but so what an adjective? An adjective is a part of speech, right, that modifies a noun or a pronoun by qualifying, specifying or describing it, right? So what are adjectives? An adjective is a word which is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. In simple language, we can say that. Or we can say that if you want to know more about parts of speech or this adjective part, so there are certain questions about adjectives that you should memorize, and we call these the adjective questions. Knowing the adjective questions will help you know for sure whether any word is acting as an adjective, right? Adjectives answers these questions. What kind? Which one? How many? Or how much? These questions will help you surely. Let's look at this cute monkey here. How would you describe it? You could say it's a furry monkey. The adjective furry describes the noun monkey, and answer the adjective question, which one or what kind? So, which monkey? The furry monkey. And what kind of monkey? The furry monkey. Let's pretend that this monkey belongs to a girl named Priya. You could say that it's Priya's monkey, right? The adjective Priya's describes the noun here. And answer the adjective question, whose monkey? So we can say here Priya's monkey, right? So now you all imagine a picture of a car in your mind. Do you have an image in your head? Now make it red. So here red is what? Adjective. Now it makes fast. And fast is what here? Adjective. Now make it old-fashioned. And here old-fashioned is what? It is an adjective. Now let's discuss some more examples of adjectives. For example, I have a solid bed. He has much wealth. He is playing with 2 balls. This mobile is mine. My brother studies in 8th class. In all these sentences, solid, much, 2, this, my and 8 are adjectives which add to the meanings of the nouns to which these are attached. Now let's discuss kinds of adjectives. So the first kind of adjective is descriptive adjective. The adjectives that are used to describe the nature of a subject or a noun or showing the kind or quality of nouns or pronouns are called adjective of quality. These adjectives also specify the state or action of a noun. Adjectives of quality are also termed as descriptive adjectives as they describe the kind of noun. For example, if you can see below this description, Betty is a clever girl. So here what? Clever is what? Clever is a descriptive adjective. Why it's a descriptive adjective? Because it shows quality, right? It shows the quality of Betty. That's why it is a descriptive or quality adjective. So next is adjective of quantity and adjective of number. So what is it? Adjectives of number, quantity are adjectives which come before a noun showing how many or how much of the noun there is. Only the difference between both of them is that quantity tells us the quantity of the noun it qualifies, and number tells us the number of the noun it qualifies. If we are talking about some examples of quantity, so we can say little, some, enough, right? And if we can say that what are the examples of adjective of numbers, so we can say many, 10, 5, 4, right? So I am taking here an example which you can see in this slide. Mary gave me 5 orange. So here is 5 is what? 5 is what? Adjective of number, right? So the next kind of adjective is demonstrative adjective. It is used to point out which person, place or thing is being indicated. It indicates this, that, these, those, the same, such, etc. Out of all, this and that are singular, whereas these and those are plural. Or in easy language we can say, when we are indicating something or we are demonstrating something, it comes under what? Demonstrative adjective, right? For example, this house is bigger than the one. So here that is what? That is a demonstrative adjective, right? Next is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. 3 of them were also interrogative pronouns. And what are they? Which, what, who. Or we can say it is used to ask question about the noun. It includes whose, what and which, right? Which information are you talking about? What knowledge do you have? Whose brother are you? So these are some kind of examples which we can include it in this interrogative adjectives. So the next one is possessive adjective. It is used to express ownership or relationship, etc. I am repeating again. It is used to express ownership or relationship, etc. Or we can say possessions adjectives are adjectives which are used to show possession, right? These includes my, our, your, his, her, their, its. For example, my brother is coming, right? It is my bag. And another example which you can see in the slide below the description, I have given my book to your brother. So here my is what? A possessive adjective. And your is what? It is also a possessive adjective. Why it is a possessive adjective? Because it is used to express ownership or relationship, right? That's why it is. So the next one is distributive adjective. It is used to signify the persons or things taken separately within a group. I am explaining some distributive adjectives. One is each, every, either, neither, etc. Now I am taking one example, and the example is each man has his own idea. I am repeating again. My example is each man has his own idea. Here each is what? Distributive adjective. Okay. Next example is neither story was boring. I am repeating again. Neither story was boring. Here neither is what? Distributive adjective. So watch this video again and again and clear your doubts, whatever you are having in your mind.